Nature. Pure. Royal Nature is an Australian milk powder formula provider that is dedicated to providing only the best quality dairy products to its customers. Our award-winning Royal Nature milk formulas have been specifically formulated and developed to help deliver the exceptional health benefits unique to dairy products to both young and old in powdered form. At Royal Nature, we believe there is nothing more important than the safety and well-being of our family. As such, the milk in our Royal Nature dairy products is sourced from cows from the pristine pastures of Tura in South Gippsland, Victoria, Australia. And our business has been successfully producing and distributing Australian-made products for over 5 years.
Knowing the entire supply chain is very important, from the source of the milk to all other ingredients, because we believe that the quality, nutrient density and safety of our products is paramount to each person's health and well-being.
Royal Nature's first mission is to inspire new generations, both happy and healthy. We believe that food for our children should be healthy and nutritious to contribute to growth and development of the growing human body. This is what inspired the development of our best-selling Royal Nature Junior Milk Powder formula.
The Junior Milk Powder formula is designed for the growing body, aged between 3 to 18 years. It is rich in protein, which is necessary for normal growth and development in children, as well as calcium and vitamin D, which are necessary for normal bone structure. In addition, the natural blueberry extract makes the drink taste delicious.
To support the whole family's health, for the older generation, we also produce formulas based on full cream milk, goat's milk, skim milk, and our latest release, milk powder with lactoferrin. Royal Nature's powdered milk products are 100% sourced and manufactured in Australia. Purely Australian, healthy rich milk powder is what we are proud of. Royal Nature.